How to fix WhatsApp audio not downloading. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to check your internet connection. You have to simply switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the problem. After that, open up WhatsApp and just like that, you want to go ahead and simply sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon, scroll below, then tap on storage and data. And just like that, under media auto download, make sure audio is enabled. Now after that, check your phone storage and free up the space if it's full. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and simply open up your app store. In the search bar, you can simply search for WhatsApp. And once you search for it, make sure it is updated. If not, you can simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. And if it's still not working, you can simply restart your phone or reinstall WhatsApp application. And that's it. You should download now. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.